Alright, everybody, so today we are going to do a review of Just Paint It's Tremors kit from the movie. It's the Kevin Bacon and Fred Ward characters, but I mean, this is a pretty cool kit. I cannot wait to start this summer, or maybe even next winter. But I mean, as you can see, I already opened it, so I already got a good take a look at it. But that's what they're gonna look like. But so let's take a look at some of the parts and stuff. Um, like I like I was saying, that's what they're gonna look like when they're all said and done. Here's the base. It's two figures on the same base with one of the scenes from the movie, and I'll go over that. I mean, these are going to be cool once you get them all painted up. Super cool. I mean, detail on those shirts. It's one of my favorite movies. I watch that movie at least once a year just because. I think this is the Kevin Bacon shirt. Alright, so oh, here we go. I mean, there's a little bit of cleanup on him. Not much, but I think that's going to be super cool. And that hat might even be backwards, I think. I'm not sure. I'll have to put it together first. Jerry over at Just Paint It does a super good job of picking all these. It's super cool. And a bunch of these vent holes, I'm gonna use this stuff on. Makes the cleanup so much better. Oh, another sticker. Not sure which legs go with who. Not sure at all. Oh yeah. Oh, of course it's not gonna focus on him. I mean, that's super cool. Hand inside the belt loop, I think. Oh. So here's part of the base, and this is actually I don't know if I'm gonna sit the hat on top of him or not, but there's a hat that goes on top. But I mean, that is super detailed. That that is just crazy. Um, and I think, yeah, this is the hat that goes with that. I mean, there's a face impression. Um, yeah, so when they pick up the hat, his head goes in there, and then the head just chills in the base. So you can either put it like that or put it like that. And I haven't quite decided how I'm gonna do it yet. I might even leave it to where you can take it off. Oh, hands. These are the most brutal things on these kits, in my opinion. I don't know, closed fists are a little more durable, but when it comes to fingers, yeah. Uh-oh. What else we got in here? I don't know. Will that show up? Another sticker. What's he got over here? It might be nothing. Oh, no, nothing. So that tremors, and I know it's backwards, so don't kill me in the comments, but um like I was saying, this is gonna be a super fun kit. I am really looking forward to doing it. So, and Jerry did a good job. Yeah. So anyway, that'll be it for today's video. Thanks for watching.